baked fish with crispy breadcrumb topping. We're going to marinate the fish. Now this is just sustainable cod, okay? About 6 to 8 ounces each, and you see how firm that is. It's not split. Seafood should never smell like anything. It should just smell clean and fresh. And it should not look like eroded land, okay? If the seafood is pulling apart, it's not fresh. So all I did here was dress this with lemon juice, and we don't want to turn it into ceviche, so we're literally going to just let this hang out for the shortest amount of time, 10-15 minutes. A little bit of salt and pepper. So we have salt, pepper, lemon going on. Now look what I'm doing. A full fresh bay leaf on each piece of fish. And as it bakes, that flavor of the fresh laurel will go all through the fish. The oven is at 425. And now I'm taking 1 clove of crushed garlic, a couple tablespoons of butter, and a little olive oil. And I'm dousing the breadcrumb with that. And I'm gonna chop a lot of parsley, and we're going to put half into our breadcrumb mixture that's gonna go onto our fish when it goes into the oven. So it'll be about 12 to 15 minutes. How do we know when the fish is done? When the fish is opaque, okay? When it's no longer translucent. If you look at it from the side of the fish and it looks really solid, white and flaky through, you're good. If you touch the fish and it no longer springs back and it's firm and starting to flake when you touch it, you're good to go, okay? We are packing on the breadcrumbs onto our fish. And I'm gonna pop this into the oven. As I said, it'll take 12 to 15 minutes. Don't be afraid to toast the whole bowl, even if it spills onto the tray. Believe me, everyone will eat this, and they'll fight over the extra breadcrumb, okay? Literally. So we're gonna throw these guys in and grab the fish out of the oven, because you know me, I'm very bad at bread or any bread-related item. Oh, thank God, I didn't burn it. So here's our baked fish with lemon, garlic, olive oil, our crunchy, crispy breadcrumb topping, and a little parsley, of course.